I like to take the drop lowest program and convert that to a program not with individual scores but an array. And I'd like to talk about how do you pass an array as a function argument. So let's take a look. Here is the program here. My comment, my pound include, my using namespace. Here is main, and I've got an array called SC of type int. It's 4 things big. Here's low, which is an int, and average, which is a double. Now the purpose of get scores, this is a procedure, the purpose of get scores is to actually get the scores for the array, the 4 scores. An array name without its brackets, SC, is nothing but an address. I send that address up to the function header, and specifically I send it up to test. Int test open brackets. So I want you to think that SC, the address, is being sent up to an empty bracketed array. Test is really nothing more than SC. Okay, and I'm passing it, basically I'm passing the address of SC to test. Test points back to SC, which make test SC. I'm actually passing the array by reference. Okay, now I've got a for loop. X is 0, X is less than size. Where did size come from? The size of the array 4 here was sent here to size, to this parameter, and I'm using size right here in the for loop. X is 0, 0 is less than 4. Then I have a do while, cout, enter a score, and it goes into test sub x. While test sub x is less than 0 or test sub x is greater than 100. I'm not going to get through this do while until test sub x is valid, at which case x becomes 1, 1 is less than 4, and I do it again for test sub 1. Then x becomes 2, 2 is less than 4, and I do it again for test sub 2. X becomes 3, 3 is less than 4, I do it again for test sub 3. X becomes 4, 4 isn't less than 4, and I'm done. Then I go back here to main, to the next line. The bottom line is that when you pass an array as a function argument, you pass it by reference, and this is how you do it. The name of the array goes into an empty bracketed array. That means the test is really pointing back to SC, which is our array. I also like to send the size of the array, either a size declarator or a numeric literal, 4 in this case, a numeric literal, to a parameter called size, and I use size right here in the for loop.